So next we have intersection. So intersection is very similar to union, but it's or. So by or, it means it has to be in both. So it has to be the spot where these two groups intersect. So say we have G1 again, and we have G2 again. So in G1, we have 3, 2, 9, 12, 37. And then in group 2, G2, we have 3, 9, 87, 13. So if we wanted to take the intersection of these, denoted G1 upside down U, G2, we would get just what they have in common. So what they have in common is 3, 9, and the rest are different terms. So we would just write 3 and 9. So intersection is just what they have in common. You can just think back to these Venn diagrams because it's really just what they have in common. So, another way people think about intersection in coding is this condition is true or this is true. And for one of them to be true, it triggers your laser eyes. So, for example, you're pressing Z or you're close to death or you're getting hit, right? So if you're pressing Z or you're getting hit, the laser eyes will shoot out, is what that's saying. Lastly, we have negation, which is going to be, it's like taking a negative, it's just reversing it. So if I say I have group 1 and, that's or, group 1 or group 2. So what this means is, remember, just what they have in common. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to negate it. So the opposite of or is going to be and. So what I do is I just reverse it. It's group 1 and group 2. So now it's just all of their terms together. So let's review. So first, we have our logical and, which is union. It's just two things all together, or two conditions that must be true. And then logical or, intersection, two groups with only things in common, or one of these conditions must be met. And then lastly, of course, we have negation, which again is just the reverse. The reverse of what we were going to do. So negation, reverse of operations.